Hey guys, today I am coming at you from my bathroom because we are going to be testing out the new Foreo Fofo. This is a brand new item. It actually launched exclusively through my FabFitFun. So whenever we got these, they actually weren't even on the market yet. This retails for $89, and something that's unique about this one is that it has Bluetooth technology in it. So you have an app that you download and it corresponds with your cleaning device, which I thought was really cool. It also has some advanced sensors on the back of this. So whenever you first get this, you download the app and then you turn this on and it syncs with your mobile device. And then it'll ask you a few questions like if you burn easily, what kind of skin you would say that you have, and then it goes on to tell you to put the sensors around your face. So, you'll put it on your cheek for a few seconds and it'll tell you to move it. It'll tell you to put it on the other cheek and then you'll move it. Your forehead, your nose. And then at the end of all that, it tells you the type of skin that you have in those areas. So for me, I know that my cheeks are dry and that my forehead is normal. It will also give you a skin age. So my skin age is 29 and I am 28 years old, so I'm going to see if I can keep using this and maybe that will get better. I'm not sure. So we'll see. Another unique thing about this Foreo is that it has a battery replacement. In the previous ones, I think just once the battery was done, it was done. But this one actually takes AAA, so that's great as well. Now the only bad thing about this one is that you can't use any type of grainy cleanser, which is usually ones that I tend to go for. So today I'm going to be using the Micellar foaming gel cleanser. I figured that would go well with this. And the reason that you don't want to use those grainy types of cleansers is because you don't want these little heads to dull out or break or anything like that. So basically what you do is you go ahead and you wet your face, you put your cleanser on there, and then you pull up your app and it will say cleanse. And I will just bring that up just to show you. So here it is. It is the Foreo app. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Connect. On device, press and hold button for 5 seconds. So they're connected, and I know that because this little blue light is staying on. And it will tell you, the moisture levels in my skin, so I know that my cheeks are dry and that my forehead is normal. And down here it also says my skin type, which is combination, and my skin age. Now on the app you can also see it has the cleanse cycle. Now that is supposed to be personalized for your skin texture and the type of skin that you have. So that's pretty nice also. And then if you ever feel like maybe that's not correct, you can reanalyze your skin there and it'll just have you do the sensors around your face again. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wet my face, I'm going to put my cleanser on, and then we will go through the cycle together. I'm going to do cleanse, and then it tells you the areas to do first. Start, and then it immediately turns on. It feels really good. It's gentle. So for me, whenever I am using something that's so gentle, I'm like, okay, well, is it working? But, I mean, we'll see. It's that vibrating technology, kind of like the Clarisonic. This is just not as harsh as the Clarisonic. And the cycle is not long at all. Like, you can tell how fast I'm moving through that. And when it's doing your nose, it's also wanting you to do under your eyes. Okay, so that's it. It doesn't look dirty or anything at all. So I'm just going to rinse that off. And then I'll rinse and dry my face. And after this, I'm actually going to be doing an enzyme peel, just avoiding the areas that I have breakout on. So all in all, I like this. I don't know if I would spend $89 on it yet. That's something maybe I'll revisit, but as of right now, that's not something I would spend $89 on. Now, my FabFitFun box was $49.99, and I got 7 other items in it. So, I mean, I was fine getting it in that, but I don't think that I would go out and purchase this by myself, you know what I mean? So, it's cool, but I don't really think it's worth that price tag. Anyway, if you have one of these, or if you got one of these in your FabFitFun, I hope that this video helped you. Yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.